In this lecture, we will discuss about the refraction through a prism, first, second, prism angle, and after this we will discuss about the angle of deviation. Clear? So before starting this, what is the prism? A prism is a wedge-shaped object of transparent material. So this is your transparent material. Clear? And it consists triangular base. This is the triangular base of the prism. This is your triangular and rectangular face of prism. So this is your rectangular face of prism. So prism consists triangular base and rectangular face. Next is, what is the prism angle? So this is your prism angle A, and this is the angle between rectangular faces. This is the angle between, this is your rectangular face, and this is your rectangular face. The angle between rectangular faces, that is your angle of prism. The angle between the two faces of a prism is called prism angle, and this angle is also known as refracting angle. Now next we will discuss about the angle of deviation and refraction through the prism. So what is the refraction? When light goes from one medium to another medium, when light goes from one medium to another medium, then there is a bending of light. For example, light goes from rare to denser. This is your normal, this is your interface, this is your rare medium, and this is your denser medium. So this is your air and this is your glass. When light goes from rare to denser, there is a bending. There is a bending towards the normal. And if light goes from denser to rare, this is your denser, this is your rare, and this is your normal. If light goes from denser to rare, then there is a bending away from normal. So this is your refraction. When light goes from rare to denser, the bending of light is towards the normal, and when light goes from denser to rare, in that case there is a bending away from normal. Now what happens in case of prism? This is your prism. Prism angle, this is your prism angle A, this is your prism, and this is the incident ray, this is your incident ray. Here, this is your rare medium, that is air, this is your denser medium, that is glass. So in this case, ray goes from rare to denser. Rays goes from rare to denser, that is air to glass. The bending is there, and for this, first we draw the normal. First we will draw the normal. This is your normal, and angle between this incident ray and normal, that is angle of incident. So when light goes from rare to denser, there is bending towards normal. There is bending towards normal. This is the path before refraction. Refraction से पहले जो path था वही ये था path. This is the path before refraction. After refraction, at this point, there is a bending towards the normal. There is a bending towards normal. So this is your path of ray after refraction. वो स्टेट में नहीं मूव कर रही है, बेंडिंग हो रही है टुवर्ड्स नॉर्मल बिकॉज दिस इज योर नॉर्मल, नॉर्मल की तरफ क्या हो रही है, वेंड. एंड दिस रे अगेन शो रिफ्रैक्शन एट दिस पॉइंट. At this point, this ray again show refraction because again there is a change in medium from glass to air, that is denser to rare. So at this point, light goes from denser to rare. Again, bending of light is there, and for this we draw a normal at this point. For this we draw a normal at this point. So this is your normal. Now when light goes from denser to rare, there is a bending, and that bending is away from normal. So when light goes from denser to rare, there is a bending away from normal. So this is your normal. तो नॉर्मल से क्या होगी, अवे, मीन्स वो स्टेट में नहीं मूव करेगी, यहाँ से अवे की तरफ को क्या हो जाएगी, बेंडिंग. तो दिस इज योर रिफ्रैक्टेड रे. देयर इज अ बेंडिंग अवे फ्रॉम नॉर्मल. एक्चुअली में उसका पास स्टेट होना चाहिए था, लेकिन ड्यू टू रिफ्रैक्शन देयर इज अ बेंडिंग अवे फ्रॉम नॉर्मल, एंड दिस रे इज नोन एज इमर्जेंट रे. दिस इज योर इमर्जेंट रे. दिस इज योर इमर्जेंट रे. तो दिस इज योर रे डायग्राम इन केस ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन थ्रू अ प्रिज्म. इंसिडेंट रे, अगेन light goes from rare to denser, there is a bending, clear, and bending is towards normal. This is your normal, तो वो bend होगी towards normal. Again there is a refraction, the bending away from normal, वो downward direction में जो क्या हो जाएगी, bend हो जाएगी. Now what is the angle of deviation? What is the angle of deviation? So we represent the angle of deviation with delta. So in this case, the angle of deviation means angle between incident ray and emergent ray. Angle between incident ray and emergent ray, that is your angle of deviation. This is your first definition. Second, कि वो जो रे इंसिडेंट रे है वो कितने एंगल पे बेंड हो रही है, दैट इज द एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन. इंसिडेंट रे कितने एंगल पे बेंड हो रही है, दैट इज द एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन. तो टू फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन, दिस इज योर इंसिडेंट रे, तो वी एक्सटेंड दिस रे इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. मैंने फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ये रे को क्या किया, एक्सटेंड. इंसिडेंट रे का एंगल किसके साथ देखना है हमने, विद इमर्जेंट रे. तो इमर्जेंट रे को एक्सटेंड करो इन बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, एक्सटेंड दिस इमर्जेंट रे इन द बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन, एंड दिस इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, एंड दिस इज द एंगल बिटवीन दिस इंसिडेंट रे एंड इमर्जेंट रे, and this angle is known as angle of deviation. This angle is known as angle of deviation. Is this clear? What is the definition of angle of deviation? The angle by which the incident ray, this is your incident ray, bends to emerge out. कितना बेंड हो रही है बाहर जाने के लिए, बेंड टू इमर्ज आउट, बेंड्स टू इमर्ज आउट वाया प्रिज्म. किसने बेंड किया, प्रिज्म ने. तो वाया प्रिज्म इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन. क्लियर? द एंगल बाय विच द इंसिडेंट रे बेंड्स टू इमर्ज आउट ऑफ अ प्रिज्म इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, in next lecture we will discuss about the dispersion of white light. Clear? Okay, thank you students.